I want to show you what I think is the best ratchet strap on the market. Made in the USA, Rhino. This is a Rhino strap. This is medium duty. It's a 1-inch wide web, 10-foot long, 400-pound working load, probably about 1,200-pound brake capacity. First, I love the S-hook. The S-hook, the way it's designed, can go around and bend up over many things. I love the little locking mechanism because as a one-man band, once you got it hooked and the lock is in, that way you can pull on it from the other side, it doesn't fall off. Let me show you how easy it is to use these. When they're self-retractable and when they pull out, listen, positive click, and it just stays wherever length you pull it. It's really simple. It's just a press here once the latch is all the way down to the bottom, and wham, up it goes. I can just pull, get my whole 10 feet out. Look at those teeth in that. I mean, it is serious bite. The ratcheting mechanism. And now I just want to recoil it. Say I'm just done with my job. That down, click that. Wham, in it goes. I love these things. This particular one is a 2-pack. They come in 4-pack, multiple colors. As you can see, this is red. They even color-coded some of the tops here. Some are green. The webbing itself is soft. They call it diamond stitching. It's not going to mess up whatever you're towing, whatever you're carrying. If you got some nice paint, it's very soft. They're a great product, made in the USA. Carry a lifetime warranty. You can't go wrong.